Sanjana, welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another video. Well, today's video is again a Meesho haul because मेरे पहले Meesho haul को आप लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार दिया था and I'm really very grateful for that and thank you enough नहीं है, मैं आप लोगों से बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करती हूँ. So here is another Meesho haul and I have bought this much of things. Like I can't hold up the whole thing. There are clothes, there are a hair extension and there is also a sandal. So yeah, बहुत सारे product है. And if you are new here, if you are seeing this page for the first time, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for the notification of my latest video. And yes, coming back to today's video, every product is under 600 rupees and starting जो है 200 rupees से है. So yeah, if you are interested, then please keep on watching. मेरे पास बहुत सारे ऐसे इंक्वायरी आए थे कि मीशो में कैसे रीसेल करते हैं या फिर ऑर्डर प्लेस करना है या फिर उसका रिटर्न पॉलिसी कैसा है, रिफंड मिलता है या फिर एक्सचेंज होता है कि नहीं. सो आई विल गिव यू ऑल द डिटेल्स इन दिस वीडियो, सो प्लीज कीप ऑन वाचिंग. So the first product that I got from Meesho is a beautiful drop dead gorgeous quad set, and yes, I'm talking about this and you will get various of color options in this particular product. I chose the color red because I just liked it more, and from the top it looks like this, and the best part is that it's fully padded and the padding is really in good quality. You can see in the clip that I am very heavy chested. I'm a 34D and I chose the size M and it works great for me. I didn't wear any bra and it gave me full support, and it has also got adjustable straps, so you can just adjust it. That's really convenient. And from the back it has got chain and also elastic, so the fitting is really nice. And in the waistline you will get this kind of belt from both of the sides, so it will you can just adjust it according to your figure and it will look beautiful on every figure. So yeah, just grab this one. And the pant looks like this. From the back it will get this kind of elastic, and from the front it is giving a nice elegant look. You will also get a chain in the side, so it's really convenient while wearing the pant. And yes, it's a full length flared pant. You can see it's totally full length. You can also see in the clip. So जो लोग शॉर्ट में इतना कंफर्टेबल नहीं होते वो लोग इसे ज़रूर बाय कर सकते हैं. एंड दुर्गा पूजा आ रही है, so yeah, grab this one. And the price was of maybe 588 rupees. Yeah, 588 rupees. And I will put the number down below so you can check that out. Okay, the next product that I got from Meesho is a dress, and it's a Shein dupe, I must say. You will see and I know you will also agree with me. Now this is the dress. You can see ये वाले जो dresses थे बस Shein में ही मिलते थे. So yeah, this is a basic white dress. It has this kind of sleeveless sleeves and sleeveless sleeves. What kind of term was that? By the way, coming back to this dress, from the side you will get this kind of strap. Adjustable ruched strap. So yeah, the length is like in calf length, but if you want to be it shorter, so you can just like do like this and it will be like much shorter. You can see the design will be ruched and it will look very beautiful in every figure. Like in every figure it will suit everyone. And yeah, जो लोग short dresses में comfortable नहीं होते वो बस इसको ऐसे पहले जैसा करके काफ लेंथ तक पहन सकते हैं. सो या रियली नाइस वन. एंड द प्राइस वॉज मे बी 511. yes, I remember the price. I remembered the price for the first time. And yeah, I will put the number down below. You can check that out. So the next product that I got from Meesho is a top, and it's a neon top. It looks like this, very beautiful. I would say this is one of my most favorite things that I have got from Meesho. And it has got this kind of trendy puffy sleeves. This kind of sleeves are really in trend right now, and in the end it will get this kind of elastic, so it will be fitted in your arm. You can see in the clip it is looking absolutely gorgeous. And from the front it has got this kind of sweetheart neckline, and the design is like this, so it looks really nice. And from the back it is plain regular, and the length of this top is not too much crop or like not regular. It's a semi waist length top, and you can pair it up with any skirt, any jeans, any high waist pant, any short, whatever you want. So really nice one, and I can't remember the price. Number down below. Okay, so the next product that I got from Meesho is a skirt, and yes, I'm talking about this skirt. You can see it's a nice beautiful denim skirt. Yes, the material is denim. I hope you can understand. Very lightweight denim it is. And yeah, it's white in color and it's all over printed. I really like this one. I didn't have any skirt like this, so I just ordered this one and it's a knee length skirt. काफ़ी सारे लोग होते हैं कि बहुत ज़्यादा शॉर्ट स्कर्ट में कंफर्टेबल नहीं होते हैं, तो उनके लिए ये बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है. बट या it's little bit loose on me, but that's not its problem, that's my problem, because I'm in the size between 28, 30 and 32. I know that sounds so awkward and it's really very inconvenient for me, like depends on brand, and I should have gotten 28 for this, but I just ordered 32 and it is loose on me. But other than that, I will get it altered, and the skirt is really beautiful, and from the front you will get this kind of button, and इसका कोई chain नहीं है, ये close है, and it has got this kind of belt loop, so you can just wear it with any belt. And from the back you will get this kind of elastic, so the fitting will be nice, and you can pair it up with any kind of top, t-shirt and crop top, anything you want. And the price of this skirt was only 370 rupees, you guys. I will put the number down below, you can check that out. So the next product that I got from Meesho is a jumpsuit, and I'm talking about this jumpsuit, but this has a story and I will return it because you can see, I will put a screenshot right here. I ordered it in the olive color. This has got so much color options, so I just ordered the olive one. This one is also nice, but I prefer the olive one, and my size is M, so I ordered M. But you can see I got this size, it's L, so the fitting is not right. You can see in the clip it's really awkward and loose right here, and it looks like this. The fabric is nice, the jumpsuit is nice, मुझे कोई शिकायत नहीं है, but other than that the fitting and the color just doesn't work for me, so I will get it returned. And the price of this jumpsuit was 570 something. I will put the number down below. If you want, you can check that out. So the next product that I got from Meesho is a quad set again, and it is a easy breezy, summer friendly and also skin friendly quad set. Yes, I'm talking about this one. You can see color इतना soothing है, बिल्कुल summer वाला vibe दे रहा है, and it has got really beautiful khadi material, and in the front you will get this kind of wrap neck, but don't worry, nothing will be like too much revealing. You can see in the clip, it's looking absolutely elegant and beautiful. And from the back you will get this kind of chains, so the fitting will be nice, and in the waistline you will get this kind of elastic, also fabric belt like the red one. And yeah, the pant is also full length, it's totally loose and easy breezy, and the pant is also same like the red one, so I'm not showing you in details, otherwise the video will be so long. And yeah, it's a full length pant and it's perfect for the weather, and the price of this was 476. Yeah, I will put the number down below, you can check that out, and you will also get so much color options in this variant. So the next product that I have got from Meesho is again a Shein dupe, and yes, Shein lover will recognize it, I can assure you. And yes, I'm talking about this beautiful sunflower dress, you can see, and it is a Shein dupe. Shein में ये dress बहुत ज़्यादा famous था and मैं ले नहीं पाई थी, so I just got it from Meesho, and the price was only 440 rupees, you guys. Isn't that insane? And from the back you will get this kinds of crisscross thing. Shein में भी बिल्कुल same था, एकदम ही same था, and the material is also nice. You can see it has got nice elastics, the straps are adjustable, so it's really convenient. And from the front it looks like this. In the waistline it has also got an elastic, so the fitting will be nice, and it is a knee length dress. You can wear it anywhere that you want, it isn't see-through. And the best part is that the material is nice, but at the same time not see-through. Besides that, the price was very low, and I really love this. This was my most favorite among all the things that this time I have got from Meesho. And yes, I will put the number down below, so you can check that out. And I'm in the size M. So the next product that I got from Meesho is a high waist pant, and I'm talking about this pant. You can see it is a full length flared high waist pant, and you will get this kind of like stripe from the front, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Like this kinds of pant बहुत महंगे आते हैं, but the price of this was only 360 rupees. Yes, I'm not kidding. I will put the number down below, you can check that out, and you will also get various color options in this pant. But I ordered this in the size 32, and मुझे 32 ही deliver हुआ है, but it is a little bit loose on me, so मुझे exchange करवाना है and size 30 लेना है. But yeah, you can pair it up with any kind of top or t-shirt that you want, and it will look absolutely stunning. So yeah, grab this one, and I'm in the size 30, not 32. So the next product that I have got from Meesho is a hair extension. Yes, and I'm talking about this one. You can see it has got this kind of clutcher, so सर में बहुत easily fit हो जाता है, and you can use it as a high ponytail like this on your hair. I'm not showing you right now, मैंने अभी तक tag भी नहीं उतारा है, but yeah, इसका जो color था, I will put a picture right here. You can see पिक्चर में बिल्कुल ब्लैक काइंड ऑफ ब्राउनिश शो हो रहा था, बट आया कुछ ऐसा है. बट yeah, I will work this out no matter. And the price of this was 335 rupees, and the quality of the hair is really nice. Just the color is different, but other than that the quality is really nice. It has got really nice volume, so yeah, thumbs up for this one, but not for the color. I don't like the color, and yeah, you can check that out. I will put the number down below. So the next product that I have got from Meesho, पागल मत समझना मुझे, but yes, the same dress that I had ordered in white color but in this color. Okay, let me clarify you because I don't know आप लोग भी ऐसा करते हो या नहीं. कमेंट में मुझे बताओ कि अगर आप में से कि कोई भी ये पहले कर चुके हो या फिर स्टिल करते हो. मैं ये करती हूँ, जब भी मुझे कोई भी ड्रेस या समथिंग बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद होता है एंड आई कैन डिसाइड कि कौन सा लेना है और कौन सा नहीं, आई जस्ट ऑर्डर बोथ ऑफ दैट, एंड जो भी मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद होता है मैं वो रख के दूसरे वाले को रिटर्न कर देती हूँ. सो इन दिस ड्रेस द सेम थिंग हैपेंड विथ मी, सो आई जस्ट ऑर्डर्ड बोथ. And yes, the same dress in maroon color, I don't have to describe it, you already saw in the white one. I will put a clip right here, and please let me know in the comment section below that which color suits me more. So I will keep that one and will return the another one. Sorry Meesho. So the next thing that I have got from Meesho is a sandal, and I'm talking about this. Can you see how cute is this looking? And you will get so many of color options, but I got this in the size 6, and 6 में बस यही कलर अवेलेबल था, so I just ordered this one. And yes, black से मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. I am a black lover, and it has got this kind of fur all over it, and इसमें एक चेरी बना हुआ है. You can see the cherry is पूरा सा गोल मटोल, ऐसा नहीं कि बस प्रिंट किया हुआ है. एंड फ्रॉम द बैक द सोल लुक्स लाइक दिस. ये आप घर में भी यूज़ कर सकते हो या फिर कुछ आसपास में जाना हो तब भी पहन सकते हो. जा quality is really good. Can you see how thick this is? And it is really soft, and the price of this sandal was only 280 rupees. Yes, I will put the number down below so you can check that out. So the next product that I got from Meesho is this one. Isn't it the cutest among all the things that I have got this time? And I think you have already seen the top in my Nykaa pink sale haul. Hot pink sale haul, yes, and I will put the link down below also in the I button, so you can check that out if you haven't watched that video yet. And coming back to the top, it has got all over in mesh material and a square neckline. And by the way, जो इसका जो mesh material है बहुत ही ज़्यादा super soft and comfortable है. कुछ जो mesh material होता है स्किन को इरिटेटिंग या फिर इची फील करवाता है, ये वाला बिल्कुल भी वैसा नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है. And it will get elastic in the sleeves and also from the back, so the fitting will be really nice. And I'm in the size I'm in the size S, not M. And इसका जो फिटिंग है बहुत ही अच्छा है. You can wear it also as an off shoulder top, so I will put a clip right here so you will get a better view. And yeah, इसका जो प्राइस था वो था only 400 rupees, which is a great deal. If you like more colorful things, then just get this one. So the next product that I got from Meesho is this top. दिखने में थोड़ा सा छोटे बच्चों के कपड़े जैसा लग रहा है, I know, but no, it's in my size. I'm in the size M in this top. And इसका जो neckline है कुछ ऐसा पूरा ही elastic में जाता है, and it's a square neckline. बहुत ही ज़्यादा elegant and classy and trendy look देता है. And on the neckline you will get this kind of ruffled elastic, and इसमें जो है regular है, and फिर से आपको slip में ऐसा ruffle मिल जाएगा. And the material is really stretchy as you can see, but it isn't at all see थ्रू. मीशो में ये वाला थिंग मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है कि कोई भी प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा सी थ्रू नहीं होता है. एंड द प्राइस इज़ रियली लो. इसका जो प्राइस था 560 रुपीज़ था, मे बी. आई विल पुट द नंबर डाउन बिलो. एंड या यू कैन ऑल्सो वेयर इट एज एन ऑफ शोल्डर टॉप. एंड इसका जो कलर है पीच पिंक में है, एकदम सॉलिड बेसिक कलर है, सो यू कैन पेयर इट अप विथ एनी काइंड ऑफ जीन्स, पैंट, शॉर्ट, स्कर्ट, एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन पेयर इट अप विथ एनी काइंड ऑफ जैकेट. रियली नाइस वन. मेरे पास इस कलर का कुछ नहीं था, तो मैंने ये बस ले लिया. So yeah, first of all, I will start with like how to resell, then placing order and then return policy. Now starting off, I want to say that Meesho is an Indian reselling app, यानी कि एक बिल्कुल 100% मेड इन इंडिया ऐप है. सो आपको रीसेल करने में कोई भी तकलीफ नहीं होगी, बहुत ज़्यादा ईजी एंड सिंपल प्रोसेस है. आई विल पुट अ स्क्रीन शेयर राइट हेयर सो इट विल बी मोर हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. Now what I was saying that you just have to choose whichever product you want to sell and उसको खोल के आप लोग देख सकते हो ऊपर एक शेयर आइकन है, आपको उसको क्लिक करना है एंड देन सारा जो डिटेल्स है प्रोडक्ट का, पिक्चर, साइज एक्सेट्रा, सारा खुद ब खुद लोड हो जाएगा. एंड आपको बस सिलेक्ट करना है कि आप किसको वो शेयर करना चाहते हो, यानी कि आपको कस्टमर को. एंड या यू कैन जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द व्हाट्सएप एंड इट विल बी शेयर्ड. एंड देन अगर आपके कस्टमर को वो पसंद आता है तो आपको क्या करना है, मीशो में वापस आकर उस प्रोडक्ट को ढूंढकर आप विश लिस्ट करके रख सकते हो. सो दैट विल बी मोर कन्वीनियंट. एंड या आपको वापस रिटर्न करना है. देन आपको वो जो प्रोडक्ट है उसमें से एक ऑर्डर प्लेस करना है आपके कस्टमर के नाम पर, उसका एड्रेस डाल देना. एंड प्राइस में जो है, सपोज ये वाला टॉप, एंड यस दिस टॉप इज़ ऑल्सो फ्रॉम मीशो, इसका प्राइस जो था 206 था. एंड आई हैव गिवन एन इन डेप्थ रिव्यू ऑफ दिस टॉप, ऑल्सो द नंबर, सो यू कैन चेक दैट वीडियो आउट. आई विल पुट द लिंक राइट हेयर एंड राइट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, सो यू कैन चेक दैट आउट. एंड या कमिंग बैक व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग दैट इफ द सपोज इसका प्राइस है 206 एंड आपको आपके कस्टमर को सेल करना है, तो आपको क्या करना है, टोटल प्राइस में जाकर 306 लिखना है, या फिर जो भी उसका प्राइस है कुछ ज़्यादा लिखना है. तो फिर वो जो 100 रुपीज़ होगा वो आपका मार्जिन हो जाएगा और वो जो ओरिजिनल प्राइस है वो मीशो खुद ले लेगा. तो इसमें से क्या होगा, बिना इन्वेस्टमेंट के आपको प्रॉफिट हो जाएगा. और अगर आपको ऑर्डर प्लेस करना है खुद के लिए तो आप लोग प्लेस कर सकते हो. सेम मेथड है, बस एड्रेस अपना खुद डाल देना एंड प्राइस जो है, जो ओरिजिनल प्राइस है वही डालना. सो आपको ज़्यादा पैसे देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, जो फैक्ट्री प्राइस है आपको बस वही लगेगा. एंड या दैट वाज अ सिंपल थिंग. एंड नाउ कमिंग बैक टू द रिटर्न पॉलिसी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मीशो में आप एक बार में बस एक ही प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर प्लेस कर सकते हो, क्योंकि सारे प्रोडक्ट का सेलर अलग होता है एंड एक ही बार में आप बस एक ही सेलर का प्रोडक्ट चूज़ कर सकते हो. अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट सेम सेलर का है तो आप एक ही बार में 2 प्रोडक्ट सिलेक्ट या फिर जितना भी हो सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. बट या इन एवरी प्रोडक्ट, नो मैटर दैट कॉस्ट फॉर ₹100 or 1000, नो मैटर द प्राइस, यू विल गेट free shipping and cash on delivery for every product, so that is great. And for return policy, if you don't like any product like the jumpsuit in this video I just showed you, and exchange that or like refund that, और हाँ, रिटर्न करने से पहले मीशो में ज़रूर जाकर अपना बैंक डिटेल्स ऐड कर देना. मैं वो प्रोसेस भी दिखा देती हूँ स्क्रीन पर, सो आप लोग देख सकते हो. एंड उससे क्या होगा, जो रिफ़ंड होगा, रिफ़ंड के बाद आपको कोई भी बैंक डिटेल्स देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड ये प्रोसेस 100% सेफ़ है, मैंने खुद किया है, सो डरने की कोई बात नहीं है. एंड रिफ़ंड का जो अमाउंट है प्रोडक्ट और डिलीवरी बॉय आकर पिक कर लेगा एंड रिफ़ंड आपके अकाउंट में ऑटोमेटिकली चला जाएगा. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed. If you did, then please give me a big fat thumbs up. Also, for more such videos, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for the notification of my latest video. And you can also follow me on social media. I will put up my ID right here, so you can follow me to know more about me. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.